Have you ever looked out at your lawn and thought, there has to be a better way? You're not alone in that thought, and that's exactly what we're diving into today at Garden Club. In this video, we're tackling a topic that's been gaining steam across the U.S. Non-grass lawns, 10 easy, low-maintenance lawn alternatives. As water becomes a more precious commodity, and we all search for sustainable ways to beautify our outdoor spaces, the allure of low-maintenance and eco-friendly lawn alternatives is undeniable. So, if you've been itching for a change, curious about the benefits of ditching traditional grass, or simply looking for inspiration, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this green journey together and explore some of the most intriguing alternatives to the classic grassy lawn. 1. Clover lawns. Clover isn't just for luck, it's a stellar grass alternative. This green gem requires less water, resists droughts, and seldom needs mowing. Plus, its vibrant green hue remains consistent, even in the hottest of summers. And if you're a fan of nature, clover draws in essential pollinators like bees, ensuring your garden stays lively and buzzing. 2. Moss lawns. For those spaces in your garden where sunlight is a luxury, moss is your go-to. Not only does it thrive in shady conditions, but it also provides a velvety, verdant carpet that's soft underfoot. Imagine transforming a shaded undertree area into a serene, mossy haven. 3. Herb gardens. Why not make your lawn both functional and aromatic? Herbs like thyme, chamomile, and oregano offer ground cover while releasing delightful fragrances when tread upon. Plus, think of the convenience of having fresh herbs right at your doorstep. 4. Native ground covers. Embrace the local flora. By opting for plants native to your area, you're choosing species that are naturally adapted to local soil, climate, and pests. Not only will this reduce the need for fertilizers and pesticides, but you'll also conserve water and support local ecosystems. 5. Ornamental grasses. While they may still be grasses, these aren't your average lawn varieties. Plants like blue fescue, fountain grass, or pampas grass offer visual interest, texture, and a touch of the wild. Their unique forms and colors can turn your lawn into a dynamic landscape. 6. Stone gardens. Inspired by Japanese Zen gardens, stone gardens are about simplicity and tranquility. They're incredibly low maintenance, requiring no water. Intersperse with drought-tolerant plants like succulents or ornamental grasses to add a touch of green. 7. Woodland gardens. Invoke the feeling of wandering through a secluded forest. With a combination of ferns, hostas, and other shade-loving perennials, you can create a lush, tranquil space reminiscent of a woodland glade. 8. Perennial meadow. Imagine a canvas of color changing with each season. Perennials, with their life cycle extending over multiple years, offer a dynamic, evolving display. From spring blooms to autumnal hues, your lawn can be a seasonal spectacle. 9. Artificial grass. For those who want the lawn look without any of the maintenance, modern artificial grass is a viable solution. Today's versions are designed to mimic the look and feel of real grass closely, offering a green vista year-round without the need for watering or mowing. 10. Mulch or bark. Ideal for those lesser-trodden areas of your garden. Apart from providing an earthy aesthetic, mulches and barks help retain soil moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weed growth, making them both functional and decorative. Choosing to step away from the traditional grass lawn opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you're looking for something more environmentally friendly, easier to maintain, or simply wanting to change things up, there's a lawn alternative out there for you. Now that you're brimming with ideas, which of these lawn alternatives piques your interest the most? Drop a comment below, and we might deep dive into it in a future video. Thanks for joining us on this green journey. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Club for more gardening insights. Here's to greener, more sustainable lawns. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!